What's going on, family? So we've been working on the website during our quarantine time, trying to get everything lined out, getting the basics. I want to keep it simple, straight to the point, to be able to kill a few birds with one stone. But I think now is the time to work on your website, to work on your design. I mean, if it's not perfect, that's fine. You can always go back and get it done and tweak it out later. I got mine through DreamHost and my domain through DreamHost. So there's many good professional websites out there that can help you. You can actually buy everything you need or buy the kit you want, and then you can pay someone professional to come even buy and to plug everything in for you. If you don't want to spend the time and do that. So you got many different options, but now is the time to have a mobile presence, to have a website presence. A lot of things are going to be shifted over to services, and people are going to be searching from websites and from search engines. So if you're going to be able to make a real impact in what you're doing, you need to make sure you have a presence on the web. Make sure you have a presence. Make sure you have a service or your product. Make sure it's out there so that way people can know more about what you got going on. So that way you can kill a few birds with one stone. Hold on.